So this is Gloshine, Shenzhen Gloshine Technology Company. We're from Shenzhen, China. Yeah, we produce LED screen for around 20 years. Yeah, so let me show you something. So this one indoor 2.6. In the middle side, we make a flexible face, and the left side, right side is curved version screen. And the dancing floor, we make a whole package stage for the XR solution. Yeah, it can be very high refresh rate, 7,000 hertz refresh rate. Yeah, and for the high definition camera, yeah. So this one. Okay, so you can see when we stand here, the dance floor, it can stand 4 tons. So for truck, it's also available. When we stay here, we with this camera, then you can see I'm in this TV already. Yeah, and let me show you our website. Our website is www.gloshine.cn. And we also have a Facebook, YouTube, and you can check anything on the website. Yeah.